Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot brake light. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Honda Pilot is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. It's always a good idea to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or warnings before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly. Open your Honda Pilot's rear tailgate to gain full access to the area. You'll typically find two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It should slide out without too much force, revealing the bulb sockets. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. It might be a bit snug. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it's fully seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket back into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body and push it straight back until it sits flush. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the assembly without over-tightening. Finally, test your new brake light to ensure it's working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.